affected include Ogden, Layton, Farmington, Hill Air Force Base, Roy, Clearfield, Kaysville, Syracuse, Clinton, North Ogden, South Ogden, Centerville, Washington Terrace, Riverdale, Hooper, South Weber, Marriott Slaterville, Uinta, Weber State University, and South Willard. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 322 and 351. Interstate 84 between mile markers 82 and 91. For your protection, move lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Davis and Weber,